The government is set to launch a transport development program dubbed the Greater Kampala Metropolitan Area Urban Development Program, financed by the World Bank, will see the construction and rehabilitation of roads across the Kampala metropolitan area, covering districts of Mukono, Wakiso, and Kampala. The State Minister for Kampala, Kabuye Kyofatogabye, outlined the plans and urged the people near the roads to be patriotic by donating parts of their land for the development program.
I take this opportunity on behalf of the government of Uganda to proudly announce to you the commencement of the Greater Kampala Metropolitan Area Urban Development Program, which aims at modernized road networks, improve the connectivity, and foster economic growth within the metropolitan area. He
strongly criticized individuals persisting in encroaching on and settling in wetland areas despite the environmental risks and consequences.
So bannayuganda bwe muba mugenze mu ntobazi, muli ku butwa, muli mu kulumbalumbe, mugenda kufa. Either va mu ntobazi obakkiriza ofe. Tujja kuzika no problem. Tujja kujja tukaabe naye ng'ogenzi omufuta abeera muki. So
Kabuye blamed the consistent flooding at Bata in Namasuba along Entebbe Road on encroachment on water drainage channels by the public.
Drainage system. Actually, you encroach into the drainage system. You then attack the drainage system. You press it. There is a saying in Uganda that water will ever trace its original direction. Amazzi gakulukutira gye gali gakoze eki kyekitawanyaawo nti ffe nnyini ffe twalumba amazzi ne tugayiikiriza era ne tugatolamu kakati tuli mu kusasulira bibi byaffe.
President Museveni is set to officially launch the program in Kira municipality on the